I just got interrupted with a phone call. Of all the people, it was my chiropractor. I wonder what they would say if they saw me lugging around this 85, 95 pound rock.
Okay, so here's that rock. It's laid on the ground, and I'm going to get it somehow on that orange cart, bring it up the ditch, the drainage ditch to the driveway. We're going to use that modest pressure washer. This is the first rock that we cleaned. We're only going to do 2 today, and I have to figure out how to get it onto the cart and move it out of the way so we can start on the Big Bertha, the larger one.
This is about 2.5 feet wide, about 2 feet high. It's just too large, so I take my clay pick to get under it, and with a little leverage I can pull on it. Let's try that, a different side. Pretty much you got to learn how these rocks move. You teach yourself and you figure it out pretty quick. Okay, I've got my rock and I'm ready to transport it. It's very large. For me it is, at least. For most people it would be too. And I need to get it uphill to that area where the pressure washer is. So, here we go. I could never push this, I can only drag it. This thing is close to 100 pounds. All right, now the uphill part. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. All right, it's gonna take 2 hands. I gotta put this down. Okay, so that's the bottom, and it's not that dirty. And I'm leaving it on the carrier for now. We'll try to get that cleaned up, then somehow flip it over without breaking it. Okay, if you look at the timestamps of these videos, you may find, I mean, if you could, you may find that there's a gap. And what I'm doing is my back hurts me a little bit, and then I sit down, take a break for a couple minutes. It feels better, and then I can get back to work. It's like me, it's like I'm nursing my back, but today with these rocks, it's more like I'm torturing my back. Anyhow, it is what it is, call it what you want. Let's keep cleaning this one. Okay, we just flipped the rock over, and we've changed to a different nozzle. Here's what that rock looks like on this is the top of it, so we're just gonna clean it on fast speed.